Hi everyone, my name is Jessica from My Mother's Crafts, and today I'm going to be assembling a Father's Day themed shaker cake topper. I'm going to start by gluing the acetate to the largest offset of my shaker using my Barely Arts craft glue. Next, I'll be using the tall strips for my Barely Art Cubies collection to create the height for my shaker. I like to add hot glue in between where the foam strips attach just to prevent any glitter fallout. Next, I'll be adding the glitters to my shaker. This is a great time to get creative and create your own fun mixture to add to your shaker. Don't forget to read the description of this bio to check out all the links to all the fun colors I used, as well as the Barely Arts glue and cubies. When removing the protective film from your foam strips, you want to be extremely careful and go slow so all your glitters stay inside your shaker. I'm going to use the second sheet of acetate that I cut out to close my shaker. I cut out 2 welded pieces of my cake topper, and I'm going to be using one of them as a guide to glue down my shaker and my banner. Because my shaker is a little tall, I will be using Barely Arts tall cubes to add my banner. Next, I'll be gluing all the tool elements that I will be using for my cake topper. Next, I'll be gluing the Dad and Happy Father's Day wording that I will be using for my cake topper. For these, I'm going to use a mixture of glue and cubies to add dimension. Time to start adding all the details. I will be using Barely Art cubies to attach all my details onto my cake topper. Next, I'm adding a 6-inch acrylic stick to the back of my cake topper using hot glue. And for the last step, I will be adding a couple of foam strips to the back of my cake topper and hot gluing the second welded piece on the back. This helps cover up any mess made while applying the cake topper stick. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description for all the links and how to get access to this cake topper template.